Hi all. Today I am going to discuss one important interview question that what is the use of grouping in TestNG? So I have already created one Maven project. This is the Maven project I have already created and I have downloaded all the required dependencies related to Selenium and TestNG. So let's start. So, how to group our test cases into TestNG framework? So, I have already created one package here. Inside this package, I am going to create one class. Let's take example of one engineering college, let's say. So, admission, demo. Okay. I am not selecting public static void main because I am going to use TestNG. So here I am going to create one method. So admission links, let's say, and one more method like public void admission broken links. Okay, okay. Let's mark these methods as test ng test. So over it, report test from test ng. Likewise, here we can mark it test. Okay. So inside this, I am simply going to write one print statement. So we can say here admission demo admission links. Okay. And here again, I am going to write one print statement admission demo admission broken links. Saving it. I'm going to create one more class here. Let's say placement demo. Here also I am not going to select static void main because we are going to use TestNG framework. So inside this again, I'm creating one method placement links. Okay. And public void placement broken links. Okay. So here also we can mark it at test. So over it, import test from test. What next? Here, this method also we going to mark it as test. So inside this, same way, one print statement. Mm, Placement demo, placement links. Likewise, there also one print statement. Placement demo, placement broken. I'm saving it. One more, I'm going to create class. So here also we can say faculty demo. Here also I'm not going to select this public static void main because we are going to use TestNG framework. Public void faculty links. Okay. And one more test we can create public void faculty broken links. So we can mark these methods as test. So over it, we can import test from TestNG. Same way, this method also we can mark test. Okay. Inside this, we can write one print statement. Faculty demo faculty links. One print statement here as well. So faculty demo, faculty broken links. That's it. So I have created three classes. In admission class, we have two tests. In placement class, we have two tests, and faculty demo, we have two tests. Okay. So what next? So after this, what we can do? We can create testng.xml class. How we can create? Just go to the project, right click, go to the testng, and convert to testng. So here it will ask the location. So for now, I am not going to change anything here. So we have created three classes. All three classes are visible here. I am going to click on finish. So our testng XML file is generated. Okay. This is the testng file generated. So how many test cases we have? How many tests we have? Two in admission, two in placement, two in faculty. Okay. So let's execute it and see everything is working fine right now or not. So right click here and run as TestNG suite. So total 6 tests are there. So admission demo, we have two tests. In faculty demo, we have two tests. And placement demo, we have two tests. So total number of test cases, we have 6. So there are 6 run and 6 test cases are passed and 0 failure. So our code is working fine. So now how we can mark our test through grouping. Okay. So let's how to mark it. So groups inside curly braces, we can mark it. Suppose I am marking this as smoke. Like this, the second test, In admission demo class, I'm going to mark as inside curly braces. Suppose this is sanity. I'm just saving it. Control S. Going to placement class, placement demo class. Here also I'm going to mark it as a group inside curly braces. We can mark it regression. Okay. And this test also I'm going to mark with groups inside curly braces. So we can mark it as smoke. Now I'm saving it. And again, we are going to faculty demo class. So here also I'm going to mark it through groups inside curly braces. You can say regression and second test. You can mark it sanity. Okay. So like this, we have marked our all 6 tests. Okay, I'm just saving it. So in admission, we have marked smoke and sanity. In placement, we have marked under the group regression and smoke. Under faculty, we have marked regression and sanity. So after this, let's execute it through the testng.xml. Let's see what happens. It is executing test or not. So right click, run as TestNG suite. For now, all the six test cases should be run. So it has run successfully. All 6 passes and 6 run. So now let's go to our testng.xml. So how we can include grouping here. So okay, inside this we can use run, and inside run we can use include, and here we can in include under the name we can pass the what type of group we want to execute. Suppose for now uh, we would like to execute only smoke test. So inside admission demo class there is one smoke test. Inside placement demo there is one test, one smoke test. And inside faculty, we do not have any smoke test. So there are only 2 smoke tests. One in admission demo and one in placement demo. Okay. So I saved it. So I want to execute only sanity. Okay. So I am just including here sanity. Okay. I'm just saving it. So there are only two test cases which are marked or which are grouped with sanity. So one in admission demo, one is in placement demo class, and in faculty demo we have one. So total 3. test cases are there. So let's run it and let's check. So what will happen? It will execute or it will run only those test cases which are marked with group as sanity. So right click, run as TestNG suite. Okay. So we can see under sanity two test two test cases are executed. Okay, one inside admission demo. So we can go to admission demo and we can see only one test is there which is marked with group as sanity. So this is the test and this is the admission demo broken links. And in placement demo, we do not have any test which is marked with group as sanity. So nothing is executed here from placement demo. And from faculty demo, we can observe that there is one test which is marked under group as sanity. So it is executed. Okay. So like this, we can group the test cases as per our requirement. Okay. So we used include, right? If suppose we would like to exclude one group. So what will happen? Suppose like this. So earlier we included sanity test cases. So now I am going to exclude sanity test cases. So what will happen? So last time only two test cases were executed, which were marked under group as sanity. Now those two test cases will be excluded. The total number of test cases, how much we have? We have six test cases. So out of which two test cases are marked with sanity. So they will be excluded. So now TestNG XML file will execute only four test cases. So and let's see. So in admission there are one. So it will be excluded in placement demo class. Uh, Nothing is there which is marked under group uh, sanity. So these both should execute. And under faculty, there is one sanity. So it should exclude. So let's see what happens. So right click on this and run as TestNG suite. So we can observe here only four test cases are executed. So in under admission demo class, so we can see here there are four test cases are executed, and we can see here under admission there is only one test case which is marked with sanity. It is excluded from our execution. Okay, only one test case is executed that is marked as smooth. And from placement, there are two test cases. No test cases is marked with sanity, so both test cases are executed. Placement links and placement broken links. And as far as faculty demo class is concerned, we have one test which is marked under group as sanity. So it is excluded. Only faculty link is executed. Okay. What else? So, so what else we can do here? So we can mark one test case with more than one group. Suppose, just clearing it. Suppose there is one, suppose this is, so we can mark it as smoke as well as sanity, and I'm saving it. So likewise, we can mark any test with multiple groups as per our requirement. So now I have marked this as sanity. So what will happen? Let's execute it. Go to the TestNG XML. So what will happen now? This test case will also be excluded from our execution. Okay. So testng.xml, right click and run as TestNG suite. So let's see what happens. So this will exclude sanity marked test cases. Okay. So this is sanity marked. It will be excluded. This is also sanity marked. It will also be excluded. Means from admission demo class, no test should be executed. And it happened like this only. So from admission demo, no test case is executed because we have excluded sanity group. And from placement, no sanity test is there. So both tests are executed. You can see here broker links and placement links. And under faculty, we have only one. Okay. So this is excluded and faculty links is executed. That's it. So likewise, in this way, we can group our test cases using TestNG framework as per our requirement. Thanks for watching this video.